Hello everyone and welcome to Learn English Fast. Do you want to know 5 of the most heavily used expressions and idioms in TV shows and movies? Keep watching, cause in this video I'm going to teach you each one of them, showing you examples when they are used. As at the end of this video, I will make it a second nature for you to use them. So stay tuned and let's get started. Cat got your tongue. It is used to push someone to speak or to say something or give a response when they are unusually quiet. For example, what is the matter? Has the cat got your tongue?
So what are you doing here, Joe? Cat got your tongue?
Do you think Thelma Dickinson would have committed armed robbery if you hadn't taken all their money? Get your foot off that table. Cat got your tongue?
No.
2. A piece of cake. It means very easy task. An example, don't worry Maria, this job interview will be a piece of cake for you. You have all the skills they need and I think you are absolutely the best candidate. Another example, they said the test would be difficult, but it was a piece of cake. I will pass with no problem at all.
Okay, we detach this and we go home. Piece of cake.
We're not breaking in anywhere.
Not anywhere, Stu. My house. It's a piece of cake.
Raining cats and dogs. It means it rains heavily. Example, I think it's not safe to drive the car now. It's raining cats and dogs.
It's raining cats and dogs. I said it's raining cats and dogs.
The funny thing was, at that very moment, the universe was working on something. A storm.
So, Tropical Storm Willie is going to be with us at least until Monday. It's going to rain cats and dogs, folks.
Bend over backwards. It means to try extremely hard to help or to please someone. Example, our hosts were amazing people and bent over backwards to keep us comfortable. Another example, Mike desperately wanted a promotion and would bend over backwards trying to please his boss.
Get together, both bending over backwards to find new ways to make each other happy. Take a step back, you realize that you're doing just fine.
What are you doing? I just married the man. He's in the process of redoing his will, so we've got to play ball.
No, I'm not going to bend over backwards just to please that jerk. You're the one who married him. No.
You blew off our most beloved tradition. Just get over it, Blair. Excuse me? My whole life, I have been bending over backwards to protect your feelings.
On the same page. On the same page means everyone in agreement or understanding or thinking in the same way. An example, I don't think we are on the same page regarding this. I will explain to you exactly what I think. Please listen to me carefully. Another example, I think we are all on the same page.
Are we on the same page now?
We're all on the same page.
Good then.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So we on the same page then?
Yeah, follow.
Thank you for watching. If you are here and have completed this video till the end, first of all, congratulations, because this means you are more committed than most of the people on the internet and want to improve yourself. I'm glad you liked the video to the point of watching it to the end. If you have any suggestions or recommendation, I want you to leave it on the comment below. I want you to like the video and subscribe. Make sure to activate the bell to get notification for any new videos that I publish. And when you subscribe and like the video, this would mean a lot to me and would help me see your appreciation and encourage me to do more videos like this. And would help my channel out because YouTube will recommend it to like-minded people.